grassroots organization formed in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic is raising awareness on the disease that's impacting especially the Black community. 6 Feet in the Streets plans to rally in Muskegon Heights Saturday to spread that message and to connect people to resources. Fox 17's Marisa Oberle talked to the organizer ahead of it.
Hackley Avenue is just like any other street in Muskegon Heights. But unlike other roads, it's helping to speed up change.
Some problems you need all hands on deck. And this is one of those problems.
Saturday, 6 Feet in the Street, a new faith-based organization, will shut down Hackley, as well as roads in about a dozen other cities, like Dallas and Fresno. Pastor Tony Hines is a local organizer.
African-American deaths are critically higher rates than all other races.
He says the initiative started in April in East St. Louis. Their goal is to raise awareness about the coronavirus's impact on the Black community and connect people to available resources in their area.
We know that people of color, because of their underlying conditions, are more susceptible to this virus.
According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, long-standing systemic health and social inequities put some racial minority groups at an increased risk for developing COVID-19. In Muskegon County, more than 40% of coronavirus cases are among Black residents, despite them making up just 14% of the county's population.
We are like a sheep led to slaughter during this pandemic. The underlying conditions that we already had and already have makes us an easy target for this virus.
But Hines says by coming together like this, they can begin to address those immediate.
So they can see what the symptoms are, where they can get free testing.
And deeper issues.
In so many communities of color don't even have major markets, major supermarkets in the area.
Ultimately preparing people for their futures, especially as COVID-19 cases begin to climb in other states across the country.
We want to give them information that after tomorrow they can move with and be prepared for this next wave of this virus.
Marisa Oberle, Fox 17 News.
And Marisa tells us there are more of these events planned for the future, but for those interested in tomorrow's rally, it starts at noon and is expected to last 2 hours. People should meet on Hackley Avenue between Peck and Getty Streets. There's going to be a requirement to wear a mask and stand on the designated spots 6 feet apart from